Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a spotlight on the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. Now, let's talk about why this spray is creating such a buzz in the beauty community. First off, Living Proof is renowned for its innovative approach to hair care, and this product is no exception. It's designed to tackle the common woes of dry, damaged hair, delivering a featherweight conditioning detangler that does wonders for your locks. One of the standout features of this spray is its ability to provide an instant boost of hydration. Say goodbye to parched strands. Plus, it's formulated to minimize breakage during wet detangling, which is a lifesaver for those of us with delicate hair. So, how do you use this magical elixir? It's simple. Just shake well, spritz it onto clean, damp hair from roots to ends, paying extra attention to any tangled areas, then gently comb through. From there, style as usual, and prepare to be amazed by the results. I also want to give a shout out to the packaging. The sleek, minimalist design not only looks great on your bathroom shelf but also makes it easy to use without any fuss. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At $33 for an 8-ounce bottle, some may consider it a splurge. But let me tell you, it's worth every penny. When you factor in the quality of the ingredients, the results it delivers, and the fact that a little goes a long way, it's actually a steal. Speaking from personal experience, this spray has transformed my hair care routine. As someone with dry, unruly locks, finding the right products can be a challenge. But ever since I started using the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, my hair has never looked or felt better. It's smoother, shinier, and more manageable than ever before. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the holy grail of hair care products, look no further than the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. It's a true game changer that delivers on its promises, leaving you with healthier, happier hair. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.